Quick update now on the severe weather warnings current for southeastern Australia. A vigorous cold front is approaching and with it a belt of gale force winds. That's indicated by the red arrows. That belt of gales is currently in the Bight, heading towards the South Australian coastline. This afternoon, that's when we'll see the strongest winds in South Australia near that front. Strong winds late this afternoon spreading to western Victoria and then tonight spreading to the central parts of Victoria. But overnight, those gales will continue along that southern coastline. Again, that's indicated by the red and the orange arrows. We have numerous wind warnings in force. There's the slight risk we could even see some localised flash flooding from heavy showers in South Australia. But wind is the main feature. Here are the warning areas shaded in yellow. We've got the snowy mountains in New South Wales with blizzard conditions developing. Also the eastern ranges of Victoria. Your strongest winds will come through overnight. And again, we'll have blizzard conditions across the Alps with a combination of wind and snow reducing the visibility to dangerous levels. For western Victoria, gusts up to 110 kilometres per hour for the ranges and up to 100 kilometres per hour for the west coast. That's coming through this afternoon, but continuing tonight. And for South Australia, you'll start to get those strong winds at around lunchtime along the southern coastline and then through the afternoon, spreading through that warning area anywhere south of Clare, gusts possibly exceeding 90 kilometres per hour. Winds of that strength can bring down tree branches and occasionally entire trees. That can lead to property damage and also power outages. And if you require the assistance of the SES following severe weather, their number is 132 500.
It's all happening in Adelaide today. We do have another vigorous cold front set to hit the southeast. As a result, we'll see a burst of showers, strong to gale force winds, storms, possible small hail. It's all in the mix now. Winds will be averaging for you in Adelaide today 35 to 50 kilometres per hour as they shift to a west to southwesterly. That's in the wake of our cold front. The dark and ominous skies becoming a dominant feature at Glenelg Beach. Adelaide has collected around 5 millimetres of rain since yesterday. Showers are increasing today and winds will also be picking up for you in Adelaide, as I mentioned, averaging 35 to 50 kilometres per hour, and showers will continue for Friday and Saturday as a wintry blast grips the southeast. We'll have coverage here throughout the weekend on Sky News Weather. What I can guarantee is it'll be feeling cold, wet and windy. Different story for you in Perth now. We have had some good rainfall across the west coast. How gorgeous is that shot? Danny uploading the gorgeous Perth skyline there to Instagram. We'd love to see your weather photos, so always get in touch with us. Temperatures are right on average for today in Perth. A possible shower for southern suburbs such as Mandurah. Settled and dry weather continuing on Friday and Saturday. Then once again, all eyes will be on the west coast. We have another vigorous cold front set to drive in, a burst of heavy showers, thunderstorms. It's all happening for you on Sunday and Monday. Dry and settled in the top end. Over the next 6 days, we have little to no change in the forecast. Brisbane got to 25 degrees on Wednesday, not quite hitting the forecast top of 26. For today, partly cloudy, 23 degrees with light winds, and your week ahead is looking sunny, settled and dry. How good is southeast Queensland at this time of the year? Sydney side is a sunny, gorgeous day ahead for you. 19 degrees is 2 degrees above the monthly average. Sydney actually got to 20 degrees on Wednesday. We are seeing winds north to northwesterly today, averaging around 15 to 20 kilometres per hour. Now, we won't be feeling this major cold snap for you in Sydney, not really until Saturday into Sunday, where you'll see temperatures plummet quite significantly, down from 19 degrees Friday to just 14 degrees as a forecast top on Sunday. All eyes are on Canberra this weekend. We have a lot happening, even possible, believe it or not, snowfall on Sunday. Looking gorgeous on Wednesday afternoon and evening. Now, for your Thursday, we have a possible shower. Once again, 12 degrees is right on average for this time of the year, but looking ahead, it's all about the cold snap that will begin to grip southeastern Australia. A vigorous cold front driving in a burst of showers, below average temperatures, snow, rain, storms, hail. It's all in the mix. Now, on Sunday, all eyes will be on Canberra because we have snow lowering to 600 metres, which means possible flurries in Canberra CBD. So we'll be keeping you posted on that one. And if you hit 7 degrees, it'll be the coldest day in up to 2 years for you in Canberra. All eyes are on Melbourne as well. We did have a late burst of showers. They did hit at around 5:30 p.m. on Wednesday. 6 millimetres fell as a result. That was due to a cold front. We did have heavier falls in other locations. For you in Melbourne, late showers. Don't be fooled by the showery icon today in Melbourne. Evening showers is the forecast, so it will be a mostly dry day, and it will be quite windy as well, with winds averaging 30 to 45 kilometres per hour. Then it's all happening this weekend for you in Melbourne as well. If you're headed to any school sport or the AFL, rug up, even stay indoors, give it a miss, I'd say. We have showers once again on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Bitterly cold temperatures as well. Only forecast to hit a top of 12 degrees on Saturday. Possible late shower, almost a carbon copy forecast for you in Hobart is what we did see yesterday. Winds only averaging 20 to 30 kilometres per hour, but it's looking like a cold, wet and windy couple of days ahead.